Myself Sindhashri. I'm currently pursuing my third year engineering in Sri Venkateswara College. So today I'm going to discuss about a topic named perspective process. So software development processes are designed to guide teams to building high quality softwares. Different models provide frameworks for managing tasks, coordinating efforts, and delivering products effectively. So it is when we are building any model or any product, there are some certain types of processes from basic to the high level. So now let me discuss what are the processes are there. At first, it is a waterfall model. So it requires a gathering. The first stage defines a clear project goals and user needs and desired functionalities. So when we are starting any project or any like when we starting to build a model, we have to have a clear goal of the project and also the user needs with the undesired functionalities. Next, design. Architects and developers translate requirements into a detailed system design outlining components, interactions, and data flow. Then we have to design our model. So it contains outlining components, interactions, and data flow. And next step is implementation. Coding and development occur based on the design specifications, building the software solutions. So we have to implement using some codings and which requires specifications, design specifications. And next is testing. Through testing ensures functionality, performances, quality, identifying and addressing defects. So in this phase, we'll test the data. We'll test the product what we have built using those steps like gathering, requirements gathering, design and implementation. We'll test whether it is working properly or not. Next is the deployment. The final product is released to users, making the software accessible for intended purpose. Then we have to like what the final product what we have built will give to the users to make the software accessible for intended purposes. Then once we have given to the users, we should also take care of maintaining our product. It plays a major role for building any projects. So ongoing supports involves addressing bugs, implementing enhancements, and adaptive to changing needs. Our second method is iterative model. In this iterative model, at first we'll build one base model and then we'll give to the public to use those models. And if public has some inputs like this is some ways of building will improving the models, then we'll update those model in the second level and then we'll again give to the public. So it has three types: initial release, feedback and planning, and iteration and development. In initial releases, a core set of features is released to gather feedback and prioritize future iterations. In feedback and planning, user input and analysis guides the next iteration, refining requirements and design based on real world usage. In iteration and development, each iteration builds upon by using previous releases, adding the new features, addressing the features, and improve the performance of the existing model. Next, the other method is agile methodology. It is one of the methodology where the building process for building any product or any project we'll use. In this agile methodology, at first let me discuss. It is more. This method is morely used in nowadays. Most of the method used is agile methodology because of its flexibility and adaptability and collaborative teamwork, incremental delivery and continuous improvement. So, in flexibility and adaptability, Agile prioritizes responsiveness to changing needs and welcomes adjustments throughout the development process. In collaborative teamwork, agile methodology helps or it supports larger teamworks to work together. So, Agile emphasizes close collaborations among team members, fostering communications and shared ownership of the project. Incremental delivery. Software is delivered in short cycles, providing working features for user testing and validation early in the process. And then continuous improvements. Agile methodologies promote regular reflections and refinement of processes, fostering continuous learning and optimization. The next method is spiral model. This is a model where it will be like us, like we'll keep on repeating or we'll keep on updating the things in any product. It is more efficient in risk management and iterative development and for flexibility and adaptability. So the spiral model places strong emphasis on identifying and mitigating potential risk throughout the development life cycle. And the iterative development, the development processes is divided into cycles, allowing for incremental progress and early feedback. And then is flexibility and adaptability. The spiral model encourages adjustments and refinements based on evolving requirements and changing priorities. Next, rapid application development. It is a next model where how the application is developed, how we can develop any applications in more faster way. That is, we can develop it by using rapid application development. It is an accelerated development, user involvement, and then prototype and iterations, tool assisted development. So in accelerated development, RAD prioritizes rapid delivery of a functional product, often within a short time frame, and user involvement, user feedback and input are actively sought throughout the processes, ensuring the final product meets real world needs. And in prototype and iterations, rapid prototyping and iterative development cycles, allowing for rapid experimentations and refinements based on user feedback. And the last is tool assisted development. RAD often leverages specialized tools and technologies to streamline and to accelerate the delivery process. Now let me discuss about the stages in incremental model and initial releases and then incremental releases and user feedback. Description of each stages are a back version of the software with the code functionality is released. Subsequent releases build upon the previous version, adding new features and enhancement is staged in a staged manner. Feedback from users is gathered and incorporated and subsequent releases, ensuring the software meets and evolving needs. Next, comparisons and evaluations of processes. What the comparisons and evolution of each models. In a development speed, Agile and RED are known for their faster development cycles, while Waterfall and Spiral can be more time consuming. In flexibility and adaptability, Agile, Iterative, and Spiral models excels in adapting to changing requirements, while Waterfall is less flexible. And then in risk management, the Spiral model excels in risk mitigations. Agile relies on frequent iterations and something. At last, conclusion. The choice of software development process depends upon the project specifics, teams, and expertise that and organizational culture. Evaluating factors such as project complexity, time constraints, risk tolerance, and desired flexibility in a crucial understanding. The strength and limitations of different processes models empowers teams to make innovative decisions for efficient and effective software development. Thank you.